Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to post BigCommerce products on Instagram. So I am running a fashion store on my BigCommerce store, and now what I want to do is I want to promote my products that I'm going to add in my BigCommerce store, and I want to promote that by posting on my Instagram account. So here I want to do this automatically, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between BigCommerce and Instagram, and I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to add a new product on my BigCommerce store, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to create a new post on my Instagram account. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can post BigCommerce products on Instagram. So I'm a fashion designer and I regularly release new clothing lines on BigCommerce store. So once the products are live, I want to utilize Instagram to announce the launch with stunning visuals and product benefits. So this will not only generate excitement among my existing followers, but also attracts new customers interested in beauty and wellness. So this approach not only showcases the latest items, but also drives traffic to my BigCommerce store, and this will increase sales and brand visibility. So here what I want to do is I want to automatically post the new products that I'm going to launch on my BigCommerce store on my Instagram account. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I just need to build a connection between BigCommerce and Instagram. And now whenever I will launch a new product on my BigCommerce store, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to post about the same product on my Instagram account. So how I'm going to do that? For that, I just need to build an automated system between BigCommerce and Instagram, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. And here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And here it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to post BigCommerce products on Instagram. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. And here my trigger application is going to be BigCommerce. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select BigCommerce here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here this new product is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect BigCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to click on this connect button. I will click on add new connection. And now for connecting BigCommerce with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my client ID, access token, and the store hash key. So first I need to get this store hash key, and for this, let me take you to my BigCommerce account. And I'm going to get my store hash key in my path URL of my BigCommerce account. So here this is the path URL, and after this store dash, I have my store hash key. So I'm going to copy all this until this .mybigcommerce.com. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to add my store hash key. Now what I need to do is I need to get my client ID and the access token. So for this, what I need to do is I need to create a store API account, and for this, let me take you back to BigCommerce. Now we'll go to settings, And here in settings, I need to scroll down. And here I have this option of store level API account. So I'm going to open this. Now here in store level API accounts, I need to create a new API account. So I'm going to click on this create API account button. And now first I need to give a name to my API account. So I'm going to type here Instagram post as my API account name. And now what I need to do is I need to select my zero auth scopes. So here I'm going to modify all the scopes, and here you can select all the scopes that you want to use and that you need. So I'm going to modify all these scopes. And now I have to click on save. And here I have successfully created my API account. And now here we can see I have received my BigCommerce API credentials. So here I have the client ID and the access token that I need to connect BigCommerce with Pabbly Connect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to add that in my Pabbly Connect account. So for this, let me just copy these and I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have added the client ID and the access token. So here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And I have connected BigCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now I'm going to click on save and send test tokens button. And here we can see it is waiting for response. Now for getting this response, I need to add a new product on my BigCommerce store. And for creating a new product or for adding a new product, I need to take you back to BigCommerce. I will go to products. And here I'm going to add a new product. So I'm going to click on this add button. And now here I need to fill all these details. So here I'm going to first give a product name, and my product name is going to be Z Crew T-shirt. I'm going to add the SKUs. I have 5 SKUs, so I have added that. My product type is going to be physical, and I have to give a default price. So I'm going to price it at 350 rupees. Now I'm going to give a weight that is going to be 0.1 kilograms. Now I'm going to scroll down and I need to add the description for my product. So my description here will be, I have added the description. Now here I'm going to add the image of my product. So I'm going to upload that image. And here this is the image that I want to use for my product. So I'm going to select that. And here I have added this image. Now I have added the required details that I needed to add my product. So I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully added this new product on my BigCommerce store. Now to check whether I've created this product or not, let me take you to my store. And here on my BigCommerce store, we can see I have added this new product that is named as Z Crew T-shirt. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my product that I have just created on my BigCommerce store. And here I have received this data ID or my product ID. So this product ID means that I have created a new product on my BigCommerce store. And now with the help of this product ID, I'm going to get all the detail of my product. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to again use BigCommerce. And I need to select BigCommerce here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this action event of get a product. So I'm going to use this. And I'm going to again connect BigCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I have already built this connection between BigCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I have this tab of product ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of previous tab of BigCommerce, and from that response I'm going to use the data ID or the product ID of my product that I've added in my BigCommerce store, and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So for that I just need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of BigCommerce. And here this is the data ID or my product ID. So I'm going to map this. Now here I have mapped the product ID. So I'm going to click on save and send test tokens button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and in this response I have received all the detail of my product that I have added in my BigCommerce store. So here I have my product ID, I have the name of my product that is Z Crew T-shirt, I have the type that is physical, I have the SKUs that is 5, and I have the description of my product. Also here I have the price that is 350 rupees. and I have all these other details of the images, video URL, download URL, and other details of my product. So here we can see that as I have added a new product on my BigCommerce store, then automatically I have received the detail of that product here in Pabbly Connect. Now here that I have all the detail of my product, what I want to do is I want to automatically post this product on my Instagram account too. So for that I need to add my last sections tab, and here I'm going to use Instagram, and I need to select Instagram for business here. Now I have to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and publish photo will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I need to connect Instagram for business with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to connect with Instagram for business. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Instagram for business with Pabbly Connect. Now first I need to select my account that I want to use in Instagram. So I'm going to open this tab, and here you will find all the Instagram accounts that you have connected with Facebook. So I'm going to use this particular Instagram account that I want to use to post images. And now I have to give my photo URL. So here I'm going to add the photo URL of my product that I've added on my BigCommerce store. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of BigCommerce. And here I have this particular label of primary image zoom URL. So this is going to be my photo URLs. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to give my caption. So here I'm going to type the caption that I want to use for posting my product on Instagram store. So here my caption will be, new drop alert. We are excited to introduce the latest addition to our collection, and here in the place of the product name, I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to map the product name. So I'm going to open this response of BigCommerce, and here this is my product name. So I'm going to map that. Also my caption includes designed with style, comfort, and quality in mind. This piece is perfect for elevating your wardrobe, whether you are dressing up or down, are new, and I'm going to again map the product name. Will be your go-to for any occasion. Available now in range of colors and sizes. Shop the new collection via the link in bio, and this is going to be my caption for my new product. Now here as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to add a new product or launch a new product on my BigCommerce store, then automatically I will get the detail of that new product here in Pabbly Connect, and all the details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new product detail in the real time, and I'm going to post the new product on my Instagram account. And every time I'm going to post a new product on my Instagram account. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have posted my BigCommerce product on my Instagram account. So to check whether I've created a new post on my Instagram account or not, let me take you to Instagram. I'm going to refresh my profile. And here on Instagram, we can see I have created this new product, and I have this caption that I have added in Pabbly Connect. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my product from BigCommerce, I have posted that on my Instagram account too. So I have done this automatically just by setting up this automated system between BigCommerce and Instagram. And now whenever I'm going to launch a new product on my BigCommerce store, then automatically I can post that on my Instagram account too. So I have successfully created this automation, and I have created this connection between BigCommerce and Instagram. So I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And I have successfully connected BigCommerce with Instagram to post BigCommerce products on Instagram automatically. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was BigCommerce, and here my trigger event was new product. Then I have set up my actions tab, and in my actions tab I have again used BigCommerce to get product details, and after this I have used Instagram for business as my action application, and my action event was publish photo. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow, and I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.